Hello. Hello. Today is the 8th day of our lockdown in India, and I am going to today take you through how we at Darling Buds Clinic reconstruct temple points along with the hairlines. As we all know, the hairline is a very important factor in determining the happiness quotient as well as the result. What complements the hairline most is a well thought out, a well planned, aesthetic, natural temple point restoration. Today I have gone through my records and compiled a few scores of temple point restoration results. Temple points, as we all know, are the determinants of youthfulness of a face after a hair transplant. We have oftentimes seen a patient who is grade 5 or grade 6 bald but who retains his temple points. He still looks youthful as compared to others who have a head full of hair but look more aged. This is the importance of properly placed temple points, which determine the youthfulness of his face and the natural look that we all want. Now, what are the determinants and how do you determine the temple points? The points to be kept in mind while reconstructing effaced temple points are: number 1, the overall facial profile; number 2, the age of the patient; number 3, his ethnicity; number 4, the objectives of the patient; number 5, the acceptable surgical norms of temple point reconstruction; number 6, the angle of exit of hair; and lastly, but most importantly, the curl of hair shaft. In this presentation, I am going to show a number of results of temple point restoration, so you get a fair idea of what temple suits a particular patient profile. Every patient is different, and so the facial characteristic determines the type of temple that you should get. The technique of placement of grafts in the temples is very important. Fishtailing is a very important determinant of the naturalness of a temple point restoration. Now please see scores of results of temple points that I have compiled for you today, and let me know in the comment section below what you feel. And I have more results to show you in subsequent presentations in the next 2 weeks of our lockdown in India. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, and tomorrow we'll take up another topic to discuss with you, because we have loads of time to discuss with you during this lockdown. I hope you like this video. Thank you.